Hi, we are the Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you how to send disappearing messages in Signal. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Let's say you want to send disappearing messages to someone. In your mobile, go into that person's chat and click the three dots at the top right corner. Click Disappearing Messages. The setting is off by default, but you can select the message to disappear after 5 seconds to a week. For this video, we'll be doing 5 seconds. Both parties will receive a message stating that the disappearing message feature has been enabled. After you send out the message, it will be removed after 5 seconds in your mobile automatically. In the receiver's phone, the message will not be removed until it has been opened. After the receiver opens the message, it will also be removed after 5 seconds automatically. To disable this setting, in your phone, click the three dots at the top right corner and click Disappearing Messages and select Off. Both parties will receive a message stating that the disappearing message feature has been disabled. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.